Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing another YouTube hyped it video. Coincidentally enough, it's another tool. So I have the Juno & Co Microfiber Rose Velvet Sponge. Now I've seen this little sponge all over YouTube, and just a few weeks ago they had free shipping because I didn't want to buy a $5-6 sponge and then spend $5 on shipping, so I've been holding out. But once they had the free shipping deal, I quickly added the new one. Now these normally come in like a blue shade, but they extended the shade range a little, and now it incorporates a pink sponge. As you can see, I haven't opened it, so yeah, we're going to be trying it out for the first time today so I can give you guys my feedback on it. So if you want to see that, make sure you keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with priming my face before I put on any foundation. And I'm going in with the Olehenricksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This is like one of my favorite primers right now. So now that my face is primed, I'm going to dampen this sponge because I think that it's probably better used wet or damp. It doesn't really say on the package, but I'm going to assume that this is going to be better used damp. So I'm going to dampen this and then come right back. Right off the bat, this doesn't feel as plushy as like a regular beauty blender or my Sonia Kashuk sponge, but we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, so today I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place foundation. And this is in the shade Malawi, I think, 230. I'm just going to take that and blend that in. Okay, right off the bat, this sponge definitely dried out very quickly, which made it a little more firm than soft in the application process. I don't know that I like the way this feels. I don't know. The fibers are cool and all, but I don't feel like it's getting a lot of the products spread as evenly as I would like. Alright, so today I'm going to go in with this Loreal Infallable foundation stick in the shade Ecspresso, and I'm going to go in with the Born This Way concealers. I'm going to be mixing the shades Butterscotch and Maple, and I'm going to take that sponge and blend it out. So let me go ahead and place these where they need to go. Okay, so let me stop right here. I definitely don't like the way that this is blending out cream, so I'm going to switch over to a brush, a densely packed brush. I'm assuming that maybe these microfibers are not it for cream bases, so I'm just going to give it the benefit of the doubt and keep going with the brush. Okay, now I'm going to switch back over to the sponge to blend out the concealer. Yeah, I like the way that this is blending out the concealer. So I think it was just the creams that it just was not working with. I do like the flat side of it. I feel like it gets the surface really well and gets into crevices better because it's flat right here. I do like that. None of my sponges have that feature. Okay, so yeah, I'm finally finished with contouring and highlighting my face. And what I will say is this took a lot longer using this sponge just because it dries out fairly quickly. Again, I don't know if it's the microfiber technology, but my sponge doesn't even really feel that damp anymore. So I don't know about that. So it takes like longer to blend out everything. It didn't work well at all with the creams. Like I feel like I would have been here all night if I was like gonna try to stick it out and blend out the cream contour with the sponge. But with that being said, I'm going to put on the rest of my face and then I'll be back with my final thoughts on this sponge. Alright guys, I am back and I have my entire face on. I don't know if I said this earlier or not, but everything that I use will be down below in the description box for you to see. So back to this Juno sponge. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10 as a first impression. I don't like that it doesn't stay damp for as long as I feel like my other sponges do. And then the convenience of it, like I think as of now you can only get it online. Correct me if I'm wrong. But you have to get it online, wait for it to come, and pay for shipping. When the Sonia Kashuk sponge, which I believe is the same price, $6 or 2 for $10. I think it's $7 or 2 for $10, something like that for the Sonia Kashuk sponge. You can go right to Target, pick it up, and I feel like personally the Sonia Kashuk sponge is just a way better sponge. I don't know if it is the velvet texture that like keeps it from staying damp long, but that to me is like, ugh, like I want it to stay damp because I feel like with a damp sponge you get a better application. With that being said, I don't think that this sponge is terrible. I think that it's good enough to get your makeup on. If you use cream products like cream foundation, stick foundations, stick blushes, stick highlights, stick contours, I probably would steer clear of this because this is not really the best at blending out cream products quick enough. I mean, I think it'll blend it out eventually, but I feel like it'll take like 30 minutes to blend out each cream product. And girl, I just don't have the time for that. Yeah, so those are basically my final thoughts on it. YouTube hyped it, and honestly, I don't think it was worth the hype like that though. Like, I mean, I'm going to continue to use it because I already bought it. And like I said, it's not bad, but it's not something that I would repurchase. I'll put it like that. If you are still interested in the sponge, I'm going to have it linked below for you to check out. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.